If you think you need a degree or years of experience to get a remote job, that's completely false. In this video, I will show you legit remote jobs beginners are using to make money online from home 2026. So stop wasting time on fake online jobs. Here are legit remote jobs that you can start with no experience and get paid from home. This website is called Upwork and it's mainly purpose for those who are interested in writing articles online. So if you scroll down over here, you can see that this is how interface looks like. This is also one of the jobs over here. You can see it's like feedback needed from mom's parent on a book of 7 years old boy. So this is the requirement over here. So there are a bunch of jobs over here. So let's click on browse categories over here. So you can see that we have a development and IT, AI service, design and creative, sales and marketing, and admin or customer support. So if you want to be part of the sales, then you click on sales and you click on content marketing and you click on blogging writing jobs. They will bring you some of the jobs that they are requiring for. So this one is also saying the AI researcher plus article writer, 5 articles per day. So they are actually going to pay you to write 5 articles per day over here. So let's also read more details and see what is over here. Alright, so this is the summary of the job that you can see that they posted the job 2 days ago. So if you want to apply, you can apply. So first of all, let's read the summary and also let's read the requirements. So this is what they are saying. We are looking for AI article writing superstar to join our team. We have a constant stream of articles that need to be written for our client, and these are the requirements they are requiring. So the requirement able to write 5 times 1,000 words plus article each day, must be optimized with keywords we provide. AI written content is allowed, must sound natural, true, must have access to or completed Academy Pro.ai. So this one is very simple. You can even use ChatGPT to write articles and send it to them, and they are going to approve over here. So let's also scroll down and let's see how they are going to pay us. So this website is actually going to pay you with 90 to 120 US dollars every hour over here. So this one over here. So for you to apply, scroll down over here and you can see how to apply. So first of all, make sure to set up your account so that you apply on this job. All right, so the next website is Fiverr. So Fiverr is more like selling your skills over here. You upload your profile and people will come and hire you. If you are a content creator or a fashion designer, you know how to edit video, you come and post your profile over here and put the price that if people come and hire you, the price that you charge them. This is how this website is like. So let's also scroll down. You can see that they have a lot of categories over here. So let me also go to video and animation over here, and also video editing. So if you scroll down over here, you can see that this one is charging around $200 when he edits your wedding video for you. So this is what he's saying. I will do wedding video editing. He charge $200. So if you know how to edit videos or whatever that you know how to do, you can come this website and create your profile and put the amount of money that you are going to charge if anyone invites you. So this one is saying that I will do a professional video editing for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and he's going to charge $10. This one is also saying I will do a professional video editing for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. He's going to charge $15. So for you to get the offer, for you to let people hire you, I think your price must go down a little bit for them to apply you. So if you scroll down over here, this one is also charging $15 for editing YouTube video. So this is what he's saying. I will be your YouTube and Vim SL editor for high retention token head video. So this one is also going to charge 15 US dollars just by editing video. So it's very simple as that, and there are a lot of other categories over there. You can come and do more research about it.